Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Avatar Legends, the fighting game not launching or not opening, won't start, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So let's find the solution. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just go to Steam option, click on Steam, click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, you have to go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -windowed and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check the and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and now launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't solve the problem, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK, and now launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear download caches. For that, go to Steam, click on the Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache. Confirm it. After that, log into Steam using your username and password and now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, and after selecting it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. Once done, now launch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version. And after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below, click on the download link. It will download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and after you get set up successful message, close this. Now you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If it doesn't work, next method is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. just you have to copy and paste it in browser. Now after the website opens, click on the download link and it will download DirectX on your system. After that you have to install it, and once you install it, now log into the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam. You have to click on Steam option, or simply select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off enable in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, here you have to select the game, and after that click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Avatar Legends, the fighting game. So if the issue continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After doing this, you have to restart your PC once, and again launch Steam and reinstall Avatar Legends, the fighting game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or working or not.